Good morning, kindergartners. All right, it is math time. It's Miss Schneider here. And I would like you, if you have a dry erase mat and a dry erase marker, to go get those. You can pause the video. We are going to play a game called 5 Shortcut today, all right? So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to draw 5 dots in a line, just like in a tens frame. Remember, a tens frame looks like this. It has 5 on the top. And then we go to the left and there are 5 on the bottom. So what I want you to do is I want you to make 5 dots on your board. So go ahead and make 5 dots in a nice line. All right. How many dots did we make? 5, that's right. I would like you to show me 6 dots now. Now remember, I want to know, we're going to add one more dot. I want to know, did you recount to see how many you had? Or did you go 5 and one more is 6? Yeah, mathematicians, as we get better and better with math, will remember that this is 5 and we can just add one more to get 6, all right? All right, so this is called the 5 shortcut. 5, one more is 6. Very good. So let's count these. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more is 6. Very good. All right, go ahead and erase. All right, I want you to show me 7 dots. So remember, how many go on the top? 5, very good. And to make 7, how many more am I gonna need? Go ahead and draw me 7. So we have 5, 6, 7. 5, 2 more makes 7. All right, we have 7 dots. I want you to show me 9 dots. Oh, challenge, it's getting a little bit harder. All right, I know I have 7. So I can add on 8, 9. Or if I didn't know, remember that I had 7, I can count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, now I would like you to show me 10. Can you show me 10 dots? Yeah, Miss Schneider knows that if I have 10, if my tens frame is full, that means there's 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom. So I have 5 on the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have 5 on the bottom, okay? So I know 5 and 5 is 10. That's my tens frame. And kindergartners, that's what we're gonna be talking about today, all right? I believe that you guys have in your math book a 5-group template. It looks like this, but yours is probably on white paper. Ms. Schneider has hers printed on blue paper so my friends can see, all right? And today what we're gonna do is I would like you to get a small manipulative. It could be pennies, it could be maybe you have some small pebbles or rocks at your house. You can get some of those. I just want you to have a small manipulative, okay? And I would like you to put 5 on your mat. So remember, when you fill in your mat, we move from left to right, from top to bottom. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. Remember, there are 5 on the top when we are talking about a tens frame, okay? So we have a 5 group right up here. All right, and I want you to count out 4 more beans. And when you go to count out your 4 more beans, remember we start on that left bottom corner, 6. Oh, wait, Ms. Schneider said count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now can you figure out how many do I have all together? Do you know how many beans I have or how many cubes I have all together? Yeah, I know I have 5 up here, so I can count on 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 all together. If you don't know that this is 5, that's what we're working on. This is going to be 5, okay? Or you can count, touch and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9. If I have 9 and I get one more, how many will I have? 9 and one more makes, all right, let's see if you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10. All right, 9 and one more makes 10. All right, 10 is the same as, how many do we have on the top? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have 5 on the bottom. So 10 is the same as 5 and 5. All right, I want you to take, and I would like you to get your cubes, okay? Now, Ms. Schneider has 2 different color cubes. I have 2 different colors. I'm gonna use my blues and my reds. So I'm gonna take off my beans on the top row and I'm gonna replace it with a big cube. So I'm gonna take off my little cube and put on a big cube. So how many big cubes do I have now? 5, all right, and I'm gonna take it, my bottom, and I'm gonna replace it with red. Now I have 5 blues on the top and 5 reds on the bottom. When our mat is full, we have 10. 5 and 5 make 10 altogether, okay? Now we're gonna move so that they look like towers. Are you ready? How many do you think we have? Oh, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We still have 10, but now we have 2 rows of 5 cubes, okay? 2 rows of 5 cubes. We can call these our towers, or sometimes we call them a column, okay? All right. I want you to clear your mat. I'm gonna clear it like this. All right. And I'm gonna put a red one and then a blue one. Do you see how there's a column? I'm gonna build up each of these. And I just counted, and there are 5 reds in this tower. And there are 5 blues in this tower. There are 2 rows of 5. 2 rows of 5 makes 10. I still have 10. 5 and 5 makes 10. Let's count them, touch and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 cubes. So 2 rows of 5 or 2 columns of 5 makes 10. I have 10 now. I still have 10. I still have 10. There's still 10, all right? All right, you can put away your manipulatives now. And I would like you to get out your math pages. And we're gonna be on page, let me check in my book, 123. Looks like this, all right? This is what our math page looks like today. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and read the directions for you so that you can do it. So right here in this first column, it says, in this first question, it says, count and circle how many. So it wants you to count how many ladybugs, and then it wants you to circle how many. So what number is this? Yep, 8. Then we have number 9, and last we have 10. So I want you to count how many ladybugs and then circle how many down here. Then when you're done with that, it says color 5. So then we're going to color 5 ladybugs. You're going to have to count and see how many is 5. And then you're going to do the same thing down here. They want you to count how many diamonds, circle how many, and then color 5. We just want to color 5, okay? And then down here, you're going to do the same thing, only this time they want you to color 5 first. So they want you to color 5 dots, and then they want you to draw 5 more, and they want you to make it look like a tens frame. So we want it to look just like this, okay? 5 and 5 more, okay? So 5 and 5 more. And then go to the next one. It says color 5 circles. So you're going to count and color 5. And then it says draw 5 circles below. Count how many all together. All right? And then on the back, there's some more problems for you to do where you're going to practice counting and then coloring. All right? So we're going to do the same thing. It says count and circle how many, and then color 5. And then you're going to do it again for the squares. And the last one is kind of a challenge, okay? It says color 5 circles. So we're going to color 5 just like we did before. And then it says draw 4 circles to finish the row. So they're going to have you color 5, and then you're going to draw 4 more underneath to make it look like that tens frame, okay? All right, kindergartners, I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.